Reading skill, or reading and speaking, skimming, is a core component from the skill training portion and takes place immediately after topic and chunks. During this component, students identify and confirm the organization of the story, which help in predicting the main points. To prepare for this component, you will need the storybook, workbook, and the answer key or class guide. To teach or simulate this component, you will need the storybook and the workbook. This component will be simulated during training.
Alright, so let's move on to skimming. Okay, so as you see, there are 4 boxes. Let's go ahead and look at the first box. Okay, so Megan, can you read the first box?
Air gets into your stomach when you eat, drink, talk, and chew gum.
Alright, so what are we talking about, Min?
Air.
Alright, so go ahead and underline that in the first box because that's going to be a key word. Okay, and where is this air, Megan?
In your stomach.
Okay, alright, so again, make sure you guys underline that. Alright, and how does it get there, Min?
When you eat, drink, talk, and chew gum.
Okay, so again, these are some keywords, so just make sure you guys underline it. Okay, so now let's move over to box number 3. Okay, so now again, let's read this box. Min?
Air in your stomach rushes past the flap in the back of your throat.
Okay, and again, what are we talking about, Megan?
Air.
Okay, so go ahead and underline that. Alright. Okay. And where is the air now, Min?
In the back of your throat.
Okay, so back of throat. So again, go ahead and underline that. Alright. So now looking at these boxes, okay, what do you think will be the pattern of organization? Megan?
Process.
Okay, and how do you know that?
Because it's talking about air moving through the body.
Okay, yeah, so it starts in the stomach and over here is in the back of your throat. Alright, so now that we know it's a process, what details go in the blank boxes? Min?
What happens to that air?
Alright, so now let's go ahead and look for that in our storybook. Okay, so let's look for box number 1, okay, in our storybook. Alright, so Megan, what happens after this first sentence?
That air is always trying to get out.
Okay, so go ahead and write this in the blank box. Okay. Alright, so now let's look for sentence number 3 in our storybook. Okay, so look for that in your storybook. Alright, and what happens after sentence number 3, Min?
Burp.
Alright, and again, go ahead and write that in the box. Okay, so now let's move on to the second chart at the very bottom.